Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Torn between the Sony FE24-70mm F/2.8 GM II and the Canon EF 100mm F/2.8 macro USM? It's a tough call. Are we capturing sweeping landscapes or diving into the microscopic world? That Sony 24-70mm GM II just oozes professional quality, doesn't it? The constant f/2.8 aperture throughout the zoom range is a game changer. Imagine shooting a wedding in varying light conditions without missing a beat. Plus, it's surprisingly lightweight at just 1.5 pounds.
True, but the Canon 100mm macro has that classic prime lens sharpness and clarity. It looks like it means business, focusing on detail. But is it versatile enough for everyday shooting? It's a dedicated macro lens, so we're talking about life-sized magnification, right? Perfect for revealing hidden details.
Exactly. The Sony, on the other hand, is a zoom. That 24-70mm range is incredibly versatile. Think portraits with beautiful bokeh, landscapes with edge-to-edge sharpness, even some street photography. It's like having a whole kit in one lens, and it boasts super-fast autofocus, thanks to its XD linear motors. Okay, so the Sony is the all-rounder, the versatile workhorse, while the Canon is the specialist, the detail detective. Let's dig a little deeper into image quality. The Sony boasts G master resolution, even wide open at f/2.8. We're talking razor-sharp details and creamy bokeh. It uses two XA, extreme aspherical elements to minimize aberrations. That's huge for professional results.
But the Canon's macro capability is where it shines. We're talking about a minimum focusing distance of just 1 foot, allowing you to capture details invisible to the naked eye. Imagine the intricate patterns of a flower petal, or the compound eye of an insect. Plus, it has a floating system for exceptional close-up performance. Okay, so the Sony gives you flexibility and top-tier image quality for general use, while the Canon unlocks a whole new world of microscopic detail.
But here's the kicker. Zoom versus prime. The Sony lets you adapt to any situation instantly. The Canon's fixed focal length demands more intentionality, forcing you to think creatively about composition.
And that macro capability isn't just for scientists. Think about documenting your hobbies like stamp collecting, creating unique abstract art, or simply exploring the world from a fresh perspective. So it really boils down to this. Do you prioritize versatility and speed, or specialized detail and a more deliberate shooting style?
If you're a wedding photographer needing to adapt to changing situations, or someone who shoots a bit of everything, the Sony 24-70mm is your go-to. But if you're passionate about detail and want to explore the world up close, the Canon 100mm macro is your lens. Both are fantastic. It's about what ignites your passion. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.